Good morning, honor chemistry students. Just want to do a quick, important video for today about the lessons for today. Hopefully you guys are all doing well on your learning of the gas laws, filling out the homework sheets. I'm going to tell you that is extremely important. Even though we are not collecting them, it is important you know how to do them because that is what your multiple choice test questions are going to be like. So please, yesterday I've got a few questions about the worksheets. Please let me know if you have any questions about the worksheets. I'm here to help. Again, between 9:30 and 3:30, those are when my office hours are. So just want to put that out there. I'm here to help you guys. Lots of learning and lots of new things that we're doing today. That's why I'm doing a video. First of all, this video that I'm making, I will be embedded here, but there's kind of a daily list of things for you guys to do today. Watch the message that I'm making right now. You need to take a survey. The chemistry teachers are putting together a survey about distant learning. It will be anonymous, so be honest. And we're just collecting data to see what we can do better and what is working. Then you'll notice there is a page of learning and there is a screencast thing as well. And the other piece will be a remind. If you haven't signed up for Remind, I put those directions in this page. Really need you guys to sign up for Remind if you haven't already. Please do that. Okay, so you're going to take your daily attendance here like we normally do. We seem like we've gotten those bugs out and everybody's doing that. That's great. Take this survey. This is the survey I was talking about from the science teachers and then, or chemistry teachers specifically. It will be anonymous. There's your daily learning. Here is your formative quiz that will be worth homework points, so I look for that to be completed by tomorrow. And again, for some reason, if you cannot do the learning for the day, just email me, let me know what's up. So I'm not out looking for that as well. Now here's the new piece that's for you guys today. You were given the assignment that you guys have to do this project as part of your assessment, which will be on Wednesday. It's due on Wednesday. We want you to make a screencast similar to what I'm doing right now using one of these two tools. You can either use Loom or you can use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using right now. Both of these, you will notice, has a video of you watching of you having your information, your face, I should say, just like my face. I'm a bit distracted here, so this is weird with just all these screens, but having your face and explaining the project. So Miss Herring was so kind to be able to make this, this page for us, for you guys to learn how to do a screencast, because we realize some of you guys may never have done one. So here's your opportunity to stretch and learn how to do a screencast. And these are two examples of how you can go ahead and do that. So what I would like for you guys to do is just make a really quick, like 1 minute screencast of how you're starting your project. Okay, so it doesn't have to be the complete project. We want to do a test to make sure that you know what you're doing. So once you've made that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to put it into this screencasting link upload. So you're just going to go here like you normally do. You're going to submit. There will be a submitting button. I haven't set that up yet, but I will allow for submissions. And you can just put a caption in, your name, your hour. That's all I need. That will be perfect. So if you guys can do that today or tomorrow or over the weekend, actually, I believe I'm going to have the due date for that test screencast will be Monday. So I'll give you over the weekend to kind of make sure that you can do that. And that's it. The other thing that I'm trying to remember to do with each page as well is I'm trying to remember to put a discussion board on there for you guys. This is something that I am looking at every couple hours, and I just do go ahead and I look to see if anybody's posted a question. If you post a question there and you as a student know the answer, somebody else knows the answer, please go ahead and put your thoughts in there. So this is just an opportunity to help us learn from each other. We're ending week 2. Can't believe it. It's kind of going by quick for me. I'm very, very busy with keeping up ahead of you guys in curriculum here. I hope you guys are continuing to do well. I'm very excited because it sounds like now the sunshine and the warmth weather is going to be out and ready, and I'm so ready to get outside and walk around and do some exercise. So have a great weekend. And again, if you need me for anything, I'm here from 9:30 to 3:30 for you guys. I'm always available by email so as well too. So let me know. Okay. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.